Alright, ran for about half an hour there. I just filled it back up with Coleman gas, and we'll see if it starts real quick now it's hot. Alright, it's nice and warm, so it started right up. And needs a little needle adjustment though. Alright, yeah, the adjustment's so fine on that, but it started right up again after it was warm. Something I don't know if I mentioned, but I turned the belt, put a twist in it so that the fans would blow air across the fins instead of pulling the air out, and that way it will provide some cooling. And yeah, we'll run this for a little bit longer.